to study graphing linear inequalities into variables. Actually, this is already part two. So the previous day I introduced you already, but this time it's a part two, and we will study it in more detail. Okay. So solving linear inequality into variables is similar to graphing a linear equation with few extra steps that will be explained on the following slide. So remember that inequalities have infinitely many solutions, and all the solutions get represented enough the use of shading. Okay, okay, so let us practice. For example, so this is a graded practice. So graph the solutions to the following inequalities. We have y is greater than or equal to 3x plus 2x. Okay, let's see the second part. So first, graph the inequality as a linear equation. Since the inequality is inclusive, use a solid line. So y is equal to 3x plus 2. To graph the line, write the y-intercept form 0, 2, then use the slope to find the second point. The slope is 3. So count 3 units to the right, 1 unit, and plot the second point. Connect the 2 points and extend the line to the edges of the coordinate plane. Okay, so I have you understand. Next. So in this graph, so we have here, uh, since we have two, diba? Our ano is 0, 2, and so this is the point, and we know the slope is 3, so we count 1, 2, 3, and then one step to the side, to the right. So and then we get a point here, so it's continuous, no? That's it. And then so after, then shade the appropriate area. Since the symbol greater than or equal to is used, we will shade above the y-intercept. So here, so this is the shade. So because in equality, we are dealing with half plane. So ito po yung graph niya. Okay, so yan. Okay, so that's it. Okay, then 3, pick a test point above or below the line and substitute the point into the inequality. So choose 0, 0 because this point is easy to substitute into inequality. So y is 0, so greater than 3 times 0 plus 2. Therefore, 0 is greater than 0 plus 2. So 0 is greater than 2. So this is false. Since the test point makes the inequality false, all points on that side of the line make the inequality false. So therefore, we were correct to shade above the line. So talagang above the line ang kanyang shade. Okay? So tama po. Alright, so let's have sample number 2. So this is y is less than negative 2/3 x minus 1. Okay, so second, graph the inequality as linear equation. So since the inequality is not inclusive, use a dashed line. So y is equals to negative 2/3 x minus 1. So to graph the line, plot the y-intercept first, 0, negative 1. No? Okay, so then use the slope to find the second point. So the slope is negative 2/3. So they count down 2 units and to the right 3 units to the plot the second point. So to connect the 2 points and extend the line to the edges of the coordinate plane. Okay, so since we have here, so we have 0, negative 1. So that's why this is our first point, and then we get 3 points. No? So this 1/4. This is the third point. So we have the slope here, the rise over run. So downward po kasi siya. Okay, downward, and then we have here. So this is the shade the appropriate area. Since the symbol is less than, is used on, we will shade below the y-intercept. So this below. Okay, nakita niyo yung green, the full green color. That's the graph of the given inequality. Okay. So then third, pick a 2 point test above or below the line and substitute the point into the inequality. So choose 0, 0 because this point is easy to substitute to the inequality. So y is less than negative 2 third x minus 1. So therefore, 0 is less than 0 minus 1. Okay, so therefore 0 is less than negative 1, so this is false. Since the test point makes the inequality false, all points on that side of the line makes the equation false or inequality false. So therefore, we were correct to shade below the line. Alright, so all the tests must be false. Okay, so let us try this one. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Okay, so let us try to find a solution for y is less than 2x plus 1. So from our uh, previous explanation, here the y-intercept is 1. So we get our solution would be 0 and 1, no? Since the b is 1, no? And then our slope is 2. Okay, this one is the slope. Okay, so we are going to get a point from 0, 1. So since it's a positive, so we need to put the point here. Alright, okay, so this point, and then let's move 2 point up. Okay, 2 point up, so we have here, and then 1 point here. So this is the second point, because the slope is 2, no? Okay, then if we are going to continue that, still 2 points, and then this should be our third point. Then we need to connect. Okay, alright, so my hand is not straight, that's why the line is not straight. Okay, and yeah, but if you need a calculator, you can use a calculator. It is easy to do that, no? Because calculator is no, be sure to take pen, highlighter. Okay, now since our what do you call this one, our graph is less than, no? So we need to do it this side here, no? So the half plane should be colored here. Okay, down, because it is less than. Okay, so I hope you understand already. So this one take time, but you have to ano. So I know kaya-kaya nyo itong gawin. Okay, so with more determination to learn, okay, so kaya natin lahat yan. Okay, easy na, easy, easy. Okay, so I use a highlighter here so that I can cover the half plane. Okay, so I need to continue up to here. Okay, so I can cover the half plane. Alright, that's it. Okay, so I hope you understand now. Okay, so I hope you learned from this activity. Now, if you are going to test, so if you are really need to test this one, if you are it's correct. So from our previous notes, so we get we can use 0, 0. So from y is less than 2x plus 1, we got 0 less than 2 times 0 plus 1. Therefore, 0 is less than 1. So our solution is false. That's why we are correct that we need to we have the correct graphic. No, we need to do it at below the graph. Okay. Thank you so much. Now for our journal number, so this will be our journal number 6 already. Okay, so journal number 6. Inequality is the cause of all local movements. There is no rest without equality, according to Leonardo da Vinci. So it's better that everybody is equal, not inequal, because inequality causes many problems locally, internationally, wherever community you got, even in the highlands, the midlands, or what area, rural area, national, so everything countrywide, nationwide, worldwide, equality is important than inequality. So we need to respect everyone. That's the term, no? So please do write your own opinion about this. Thank you so much, and to all my friends, the Organic Mercados, YTC International, my new friends from Musical Scores. Thank you so much for accepting me, and of course, the foodie friends, although no, so nag-meet pa rin kami in other cases. Thank you so much. And of course, my students, you are my inspiration here while my channel is still working. This is all for you, especially to consideration, creativity, and areas. Thank you all. Love you guys.